Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marius. It's been a long time since I started thinking about creating my own channel, and to be honest, the only thing stopping me was that I never thought I had a topic worth filming and sharing with a broader audience. But lately, as I've started building my own apps and my own startup, I realized that documenting my journey is something worth pursuing. Hopefully it is also worth your time as a viewer, so I want to invite you to this journey of mine, with cool vibes and sharing some of my experiences. For my everyday work, I am a principal iOS engineer. I work for a large company that creates banking applications. But banking is not the only field I've worked in. I've done pretty much everything, from lifestyle apps to music recording and editing, all the way to what I'm currently doing. I really love my job, and I want to do it for as long as I can. But lately I've been feeling that I can do a little more. Day-to-day work is fine, but I can manage my time to learn new things and maybe also help others along the way. So today I want to give you a sneak peek into the development of a new feature in my product, analytics. But before we dive into that, let me quickly show you what we have so far. Right now, there are a couple of frameworks designed to do one thing, but do it really well. I really like this approach, where each component or a framework is responsible for a very narrow set of functions, but at the same time, it's highly optimized for that specific task. This makes debugging easier and also makes reasoning about how a particular function works way easier, at least for me. Currently we have a networking library, a core data library, an image fetching library, a logging framework, account and identity management libraries, and camera management. These all work together to allow developers to quickly bootstrap an app. The simplest example is the logging framework. It provides a UI and handles the flow for users to create and validate an account. It then uses the identity framework to create the account. From there, the accounts framework manages user data, and at the exit point, it allows developers to navigate to the main app screen. All of this is backed by the networking framework, which handles requests, refresh tokens, and all possible status responses from an API. This combination of UI and business logic allows for a fast and efficient app setup. Now, let's move on to today's topic, analytics. As a tech guy, I really like data. It gives you a clear vision of what users are actually doing inside your application. It makes decisions like UI layout, navigation flow, and even simple text choices less of a guessing game and more of a feedback loop with your users. Users interact with your product, and through that interaction alone, you can improve their experience. So my approach is to create an analytics system that ties perfectly with the screens and action users take inside the app. My first thought was to use an observer pattern. I want to track everything that happens in the app and push that data to a central place. From there, it can be sent to an analytics provider, whether that's Google Analytics or something else, even a fully custom solution. Is this going to be the perfect approach? Honestly, I don't know. But I'm going to implement it this way and we're going to see. Well, I think that's enough for the first video. Thank you all for watching and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye for now.